Any quiz team which is remaining? Start kar de. Okay, so there is a question on the screen. You can see it. So the best approach to the management of patient with cirrhosis, child A, and 1.9 centimeter hepatoma on the edge of right lobe of the liver. You can see the options. I think it is easy if you apply your knowledge. Okay, time up. Okay, so I think all teams have were able to correct this question. Question 2. So which of the following neurologic presentations tend to occur early in patient with Wilson disease? So for the audience, I want to mention this is a quiz competition in which teams from all over the country are participating. We have designed it to have 4 rounds. In the first 3 rounds, all the teams will participate. Initially, we had 14 teams, but 12 participated. In the final round, only 8 teams. And each round will be around 20 minutes, 10 questions. Okay, so most of the teams were able to correct it. We move to question 3. Karachi Stallions are on the top here because they have answered it quickly. So risk factor for polylithiasis. So the more quickly you answer the question, maximum marks you will get. Some teams are still thinking. Okay. So 8 teams were able to correct it. Karachi Stallions followed by SIUT. Question 4. You can read this stem here. Patient with acute pancreatitis presents with abdominal pain and fever. There is walled off necrosis, and the patient has failed conservative management. Next step. Okay, so 6 teams were able to pick the correct option. We move to the scoreboard. Okay, Karachi Stallions still ISIUT now on top. Question 5. I think it's an easy question. So I thought the options for this question, the people will answer it quickly because it is just simple recall. Okay, all 12 teams were able to answer, but I think some teams have answered it very late. Karachi Stallions still on top with 480. We move to question 6. You can read the question carefully and then the options. Said bhai, if that team members are not able to see it clearly, they can sit behind and can see it from that screen. Okay, so that was acute toxic megacolon due to C. diff, and the dose of vancomycin is 500, not 125. 5 teams were able to pick the correct answer. We move to the scoreboard. Yeah, Karachi Stallions were able to pick SIUT Tigers, followed by Lahore team. We move to the next question. I think there is here a slight mistake. The numbers A, B, C, D, E are not written with the options, but you can judge it by going through that order. So zero stop antibiotics, then start empiric treatment is option B, and you can go on in. I hope the bottom lines are visible. On examination, the BP was 130 by 80, pulse of 80, and afebrile, abdomen soft, non-tender. Next best step in management. So you test such patients for C. diff infection if they develop this after broad spectrum antibiotics. The patient has completed the dose. We move to the scoreboard. The Karachi Stallions still on top, but Peshawar Tabiban were able to correct 3 questions in a row. It's slightly long stem, but you can read it carefully. Basically, you decide management of such patients on root GERD score. Okay, so 4 teams were able to pick the correct option. We move to the question 9. Okay, so Karachi Stallions are still on the top. SIUT Tigers. Move to the next question, please. Again, a question based on Crohn's disease. So, in a patient with perianal Crohn's disease, if she is already in azathioprine and there is active draining fistula, okay, so the correct option was to optimize treatment aid vedolizumab, and most of the teams were able to pick the correct option. And we move to the last question, Karachi Stallions followed by SIUT. Again, same A, B, C, D, E. You can start from your left to right. So in the last round, Bulan Marhors were the leading scorers. I think it should be Karachi in this round. Again, 9 teams got it right. So this is the final score. Karachi Stallions followed by SIUT. So congratulations to all the teams, especially to Karachi. This concludes our second round, and we will have our third round tomorrow morning. Thanks to all of you.